versus code drag tab to new window. Instead of splitting windows, is it possible to drag the tabs to a new window in Visual Studio Code like Sublime, Storm or Chrome? When I drag a tab onto the desktop, it will copy the file.
This is a very highly upvoted issue request in GitHub for floating windows. Until they support it, you can try the following workarounds. 1. Duplicate workspace in new window. 1. The duplicate workspace in new window command was added in v1.24, May 2018, to sort of address this. Open up keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+K, Ctrl+S. Map workbench.action.duplicate workspace in new window to Ctrl+Shift+N or whatever you'd like. Two. Open active file in new window. 2. Rather than manually open a new window and dragging the file, you can do it all with a single command. Open active file in new window Ctrl+K, O. 3. New window with same file. 3. As Alan Boutung also pointed out, you can open/drag any file in a separate blank instance. Open new window Ctrl+Shift+N. Drag tab into new window. 4. Open workspace and folder simultaneously. 4. Versus code will not allow you to open the same folder in two different instances, but you can use workspaces to open the same directory of files in a side-by-side instance. Open folder Ctrl+K, Ctrl+O. Save current project as a workspace. Open folder Ctrl+K, Ctrl+O. For any workaround, also consider setting up autosave so the documents are kept in sync by updating the files.autosave setting to after delay, on focus change, or on window change.
New window with same file. Press Ctrl+Shift+N to create a default new window. Drag the tab into this new window. Command line. Add, c:\_Alan\_Aptata\_local\programs\Microsoft versus code to system path. Type this command in terminal. psd:\zamp\docs\by and gt, code vendor/bin/dot/composer/autoload_files.phpn. Auto hotkey, D. Compile this awk script and execute it. Right-click on the tab and then press Shift+Alt+C, and Xcode can copy file path to clipboard. Shift+Alt+V, open this page to new window.